Maybe Michael Jackson's star was not shining as brightly as it once had.
I can't see either of your faces or even what you're doing.
I'm telling you, she loves that lemonade. She is drinking up the storm like she is thirsty to death.
She loves it.
I took a bite.
She won't stop drinking.
I don't think there's any much on.
Good. Good. Want some more? You smiling at Daddy?
Oh, goodness.
Here. Want some more? You want to hold it?
Supposed to keep Megan.
You want to hold it? No, hold it.
And so,
Hold it.
Sylvie called me today. Mom, how are you?
Want some more?
How are you?
Is it good?
Okay.
Come on, smack.
Are you keeping Megan Friday? And I said, honey, I told Darren that I was not.
Good.
Well then, we're not taking care of your cats if you're not taking care of Megan. Goodbye.
There you go. Tell Daddy it's good.
I called Darren. I
Tell
said,
Daddy it's
honey,
good.
Sylvie just